Welcome to all. I am Professor A.R. Wakode. I am going to deliver a video lecture on the topic selection of farm machines. So, what are the points to be required for the selection of farm machines? Uh, Selection of tractors. If we take a farm machine as a main source as a tractor, so what are the points is required? First point is land holding. So, take 1 HP for every 2 hectares of land. Next is cropping patterns. More than one crop, 1.5 hectare per HP. Next is the soil. Less wheelbase, high ground clearance, and low overall weight in the light soil. Next is a climatic sand, very hot and cool. Next is repair facilities, has dealer nearby. Running cost, less SFC, so mining cost is less. Initial cost and resale value. Keep resale value in mind, initial cost should not be high. Test report. Release from farm machinery testing station should be consulted for guidance. These are the selection factors for tractors. Now selection criteria for the machines. First criteria is trademark. We cannot judge the machine by its appearance. Choose an equipment on well-known and reputed trademarks. HMT 2511, HMT 3511. It is distinguished by the mark of the trader to his goods and distinguished from the traders. Next is the trade name. D0, Dettol, Cruisin, etc. For examples. Next is the model. Buy the latest model with better features like Mahindra B275, Mahindra DF 540, Farntrack 50, etc. Next, whether or not the machine is an approved design. BIS or ISO mark, International Standard Organization, Bureau of Indian Standard. Next is repair facilities. To see whether the machine is repairable or not, how far is service station or existence of the repair shop, how easily the repair can be done. So availability of the spare parts, whether the component of the machine are easily available. Design features. It includes first point of the wear, type of bearing, provision for lubrication. Second, ease of adjustment, disc angle or tilt angle. Next is safety provision, that is shielding of rotary members. Next is appearance of the machine, appeal antithesis. So vibration and noise in a machine should be low. 8 point is ease of operation. It should not require unnecessary amount of power and labor to operate. Ease of operation may be depend upon the correct adjustment. Moderate machines are equipped with power and hydraulic lifts, and when adjusted properly, they should require little efforts to operate, expecting steering and turning. Ease of adjustment method and provision for the adjustment of various parts. An adjustment should be easy to make, less time consuming. Discouraged, I am in hurry attitude to make correct adjustment. Point 10 is adaptability of the machine to work and working condition, that is environment and versatility. Select the machine or tool which can work under wide range of conditions. It must be easy to adapt the equipment to different soil, crop and environmental conditions. Quick change of unit. For machine which are one built in unit package and designed to change them like plow to the cultivator or like multi-crop planter, the time required for the change over must be minimum. Next is the maneuverability. If equipment is trail or mounted type, mounted equipment are easy to lift and easy to turn. Trail equipment are attached to drawbar of the tractor, cannot make sharp turns. Extended and swinging drawbars are one aid to short turnings. Choose machine with proper size wheels. Small wheel sinks into loose soil, drop into shallow ditches and furrow, and for tractor turning is difficult. Last one is human effort. Human effort is important factor in selection and operation of the equipment. The seat must be comfortable, stable and adjustable to suit different size individual. This should be proper operator safety provisions. Now some other factors are power requirement. Power required for operating the equipment. Determine the size of the equipment. The cost of the operation, initial cost, operational cost of the machine, that is economically viability of the machines. Initial cost of the machine, availability of custom hiring, years of service expected, economic of the equipment in relation to size of firm and work to be performed. So I ended my video lectures. Thank you very much.